Hey guys, I hope you're good. Today I am finally going to get on with painting my bow. I'm tired just thinking about it. But you've seen the disgusting state that it's in, so let's crack on. I'm starting by taking all of the bigger loose bits of rust off with a wire brush. There was a little bit of rust on the front deck when I bought the boat, and I use it just for storage really, so a lot of moisture has managed to get under the stuff that I've been storing on there, and that's how it's ended up in the state that it's in now. I ended up covered in loads of little flakes of metal, and I was so itchy for days afterwards, and I looked like I'd turned ginger. I could have got the whole job finished in just a few hours, but because I was working around everything else, I just had time to tidy up, and then I had to come back and finish the rest on another day. Day 2, this is the bit that I've been looking forward to, is the sanding. There were mixed reviews about this sander online, and to be fair, I probably would have been better off using a pumice stone, but it was getting there. And then there was a hiccup. Somebody dropped the extension lead into the river, so we lost power. I decided to crack on and just get the anti-rust primer down. This has been sitting on the boat since I bought it, and I think it's seen better days. As you may have been able to tell by now, I was completely unprepared for this job. I ended up just pouring the primer on, but it will do. Day 3, the primer's dried fine, and we can get down to painting now. The paint is brand new and it's decent quality, so I'm hopeful for a good result. The paint's covering really well. Unfortunately, I'm using the world's smallest paintbrush. Once I've finished this job, next on my list I need to paint my lockers on the back of my boat, and the engine bay needs doing, but I'm seriously considering paying somebody to come and do that. I was racing to get this done before it starts raining. I'm going away in the morning, so I was really in a rush to finish. A bit like I'm in a rush to edit this video, in case you hadn't noticed. I've almost finished, and despite my best efforts not to paint myself into a corner, it does look like I might need a new pair of socks. This is the finished result. It's still wet, but it's a lot better than it was before. Once it's dried, I can touch up any bits that I've missed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a huge thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.